Hello and thank you for watching my video. Please let me know your thoughts and opinions about this craft project in the comments section below. This is the final installment of the Mars Attacks alien costume. Thank you very much for those of you who have watched the progression of this costume. My original intention was to go all out for this one and create the alien's dome that would ordinarily have covered his head. However, I quickly realized that I was out of my depths, as I'm not familiar with working with casting resin and liquid hardener chemicals, nor do I own any sort of mold that I could appropriate to resemble the shape needed. Many ideas did run through my mind, including a large clear plastic bag, inflated using the small fan that I installed into the shoulder frame indicated here. However, many further complications would arise in regards to putting the mask on and then ensuring a tight seal for the bag itself. So, my later idea was to use something similar to a diver's rebreather mouthpiece that would also give the appearance of a battle-bruised alien, which would be cool. I might add this feature should I decide to use the costume for a Halloween event, but for now it's as completed as I would like to get it. Of course, you are very welcome to share your thoughts or ideas with me. They'd be greatly received. Again, thank you so much for staying with this channel.